Bonnie. Happy Tuesday! Oh my gosh, you guys. Day 26 of my Vlogtober. I am back with Halloween. I am so excited to finally be giving you guys a Halloween video. Look what I got in the mail today. Are these not absolutely gorgeous? I've been working with a company called Rose Forever New York now for over a year, and they just sent me their brand new orange preserved roses for Halloween. I literally screeched when I got these. They're so brilliant and pretty. Oh my gosh. So preserved roses are grown, cultivated, and preserved, and they're meant to last a year. They've got a ton of sales going on right now on their website, and if you use the code GirlGeek20, I'll put the link below too, you're going to get $20 off. But I got to show you my little rose collection here. These are so exciting. So last February, they did send me the 9-pack of pink roses. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. They're perfectly preserved. They look absolutely beautiful as the day I got them. I am serious. These are absolutely gorgeous. And it's funny because I always yell at my husband to not get me roses because they always die in like a week. And I'm like, I am not a huge fan of taking care of flowers, let's just say that. And the fact that I now have these beautiful roses around my house and I don't have to water them and I don't have to take care of them and they last for a year, I'm like, how awesome is that? And then last summer, they also sent me this bouquet. This is the 36 count in the red. I actually, in my living room, I had my vampire blood candle next to these for Halloween, and everyone that walks in my front door is like, oh my gosh, those are absolutely gorgeous. I got to get a picture of these with my candle. They're gorgeous. They're absolutely brilliant red, and they look so pretty for Halloween. And like I said, they have this brand new shade that is orange, and I hope you can see on the camera how brilliant these are, but they are a gorgeous, gorgeous shade of orange. And you know what I'm going to do for Thanksgiving? I'm going to put my Bath & Body Works Golden Turkey next to the flowers, and I'm going to have like the perfect Thanksgiving display. So I'm like super excited about that. They all come in a black velvet box. They actually have different boxes though. I think they have like a lucite box that you can get. Yeah. Essential crystal red. They have crystal boxes. They have like all different kinds of boxes. The other thing that I love about these roses is that you can gift these to people. It's a really unique gift. I mean, trust me, when I get these in the mail and I open them up, I'm just like, wow. It's so exciting to open a box of roses like this. And then when you find out that they're going to last for a year, then you get even more excited. So if you're looking for a really unique, pretty Christmas gift this year, a Thanksgiving gift, I would check out their site. They have so many different shades. Along with the orange, the brand new orange, they actually are going to be releasing new collections every month. So don't forget to check back because you might find something different that you like. They come in pink. They come in white, they come in cream, all different colors. I actually think the cream ones look really pretty. Black, blue, not necessarily colors you would expect an actual rose to come in, which I like. I like the different shades. And like I said, these orange ones, I don't know, there's just something mesmerizing about them. You know me, I'm so into art and color and design. And when you look at them from here and just see the swirls, they're absolutely gorgeous. So I'll be putting some pictures on Instagram. Thank you again so much to Rose Forever New York for sending me all of these gorgeous roses. And like I said, if you use the code GirlGeek20, you're going to get $20 off your order. Definitely check them out. They're a really nice company, and I am liking the fact that I got these for a year. Thank you as always for watching me. Happy Vlogtober Day 26. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.